Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving deeper into the precision magic of align distribute in Photoshop. When your shapes looks messy or uneven, these features rescue the layout instantly. Start by selecting all shapes that need alignment. Once selected, head toward the align panel in the top bar. Here you will see vertical or horizontal alignment icons. Click align left to instantly anchor all shapes to the same left position. If you prefer a center balance layout, choose align horizontal center. This brings every selected element into a perfect middle line. Now move toward the distributions option right beside them. These tools helps you equalize spacing between multiple subjects. If you are